Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you an easy way to make a face shield. Materials needed are a clear PCV cover, 1-inch elastic, any circular object, a ruler, stapler or needle and thread, pen or marker, foam or wadding, scissors and glue. With your ruler, mark 2 inches here, 2 inches here. Repeat the same thing for this side. Place your circular object on the 2 inches marks and draw a curve. Trim out the curve with scissors. This will help to prevent interference with the shoulder when turning your head. Repeat the same thing for this side. I'm using a 3/4 inch thick foam. You can use 1/2 inch to 1 inch thick foam. Place the foam on the PCV cover and mark out the same length of the PCV cover on the foam. From the top, mark out 1 inch on the foam. Cut it out with scissors. Measure and cut 13 inches elastic. Mark 1 inch on the 2 edges of your foam. Apply glue here. The glue should not exceed the 1 inch marks. Gently place the foam side with glue on the top part of your PCV cover. Attach your elastic band on the PCV cover with stapler or needle and thread. Apply glue to the 1 inches pass without glue. So this is it. Your face shield is ready. Always remember to sanitize it before and after use. Thanks for watching.